Hi, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make an orange and strawberry jam. The reason is this is a great simple jam for any occasion. First, we're going to take a hot pan over a medium-high heat. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Stir the sugar until it's completely cooked from the edges and it resembles caramel. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of orange juice. Whisk it in. You might notice some granules, that's fine. Cook for another 10 minutes until the granules are gone. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of orange segments. Next, following that, we're going to add 1 cup of sliced strawberries. We're going to mix the ingredients together for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next, reduce your heat to medium heat and cook for about 2.5 hours to 3 hours over low heat. What you have is this great, sweet, and simple jam.